Yes, very good morning, children. So last class we had completed grammar. So today I have come out with a new lesson, that is flying kites. This is lesson number 5, flying kites. You can take down your textbook. Come to page number 41. Page number 41, children. Okay. Yes. Now it's a beautiful lesson about kites. Okay, flying kites. So which is the season you see kites? In the windy season. Okay. So here I have drawn 3 beautiful kites for you in a different colors. Okay. So now I just read out the lesson for you. Listen to me, children. Okay. Yes. Today is a holiday. Anoop and Neha are in the garden. The 2 children named, boy name is Anoop and girl name is Neha. So they have come to the garden. Come, let us play our kites, Anoop says. They get their kites. So come, let us play our kites. So Anoop is calling Neha. Come, today is holiday. Yes, very good morning, children. So today I come out with a new lesson, that is lesson number 5, flying kites. Got it, no? Yes. So take out your textbooks. Come to page number 41. Lesson number 5, flying kites. So what is a kite? A kite is made out of a paper, that is a colorful paper that fly in the sky. Very high you can make it to fly. Okay, so I have drawn 3 kites here for you, colorful kites. Okay, I'll just read out the lesson. Sit with your textbook. Okay, open your textbook. Come to page number 41. I mentioned it 41 here. Yes. So today is a holiday. Anoop and Neha are in the garden. So who are the 2 children? Anoop and Neha are in the garden. Come, let us fly our kites. Anoop is calling. Come, let us fly our kites. Anoop says. They get their kites. So both of them, they went to home. They brought their kites into the garden. So Anoop's kite is blue. His kite is big. And Neha's kite is yellow. Her kite is small. Anoop and Neha are flying their kites. So whose kite is blue? Anoop's kite is blue and big. Anoop's kite is blue and big. So Neha's kite is yellow and small. Okay, Anoop and Neha started flying their kites. So you also will be very familiar, no? You will help your brother, elder brother, whoever is there at home, he will start flying the kite. You will be holding the thread in your hand and you will help him out to fly the kite high like that. So next, look at Neha's kite. It is flying away into the sky. She is crying. Look at Neha's kite. So which color was Neha's kite? It was yellow color. So it is flying away into the sky. She is crying. What happened to Neha's kite? So Neha was flying the kite and the thread got cut. So what happened? Once it is cut, it will go somewhere far away to the place and it will go get stuck in a tree or wire. Wherever it falls, there it will be hanging in the tree or wire, children. Okay, so she is crying. What happens when your toy breaks, when your somebody breaks your toy or something is missing? What do? You also start crying. Same thing here. Neha was crying. So next, where is your kite? Anoop asks. Anoop is asking, where is your kite? There it is. He says Neha. There it is means he is showing. It is flying far away in the sky. So there it is, says Neha. So Anoop is coming and telling, don't cry, Neha. You can fly my kite, says Anoop. So he's telling, don't cry, Neha. You can fly my kite. So he is giving his kite to Neha. That is the blue color which was big in size. You can fly my kite, says Anoop. Okay, come to the last line. Thank you, Anoop. Come, let us fly together, says Neha. So, she's telling, thank you, Anoop. Come, let us fly together, says Neha. Okay. So, yes, children, that is the end of the lesson. It's a very small and a cute lesson about the two children and their kites. Okay. So, now you come down to the next page. There is a assignment for you. Okay. I'll just give off the assignment for you. Hardly 12 words are there. That's all, children. Yes, 12 words are there. I'll give you the assignment. Do it, children. Write it 5 times. Okay. Only 12 spellings are there. You need to write it as 5 times. Okay. Yes, take down your homework book now. Take down your homework. English homework, children. Assignment. Yes. Yes, I'm giving you the words. Yes, come to the first one. First one is today. So today is what day for you? Yes, today is what day? Yes, Friday. Okay. So you'll be watching the online class also, that is on Friday. Okay. Together. Together is they're playing together. You'll be playing with your friends, no? That time, if you're single at home, you will be single, alone. If you're playing with your friends, it is together. Okay. Yes. Next is blue. The color of the big kite who Anoop was having it. That is blue. Okay. Yes. Next is garden. Garden is a place where you have colorful flowers, colorful small plants will be there. That is a garden. Okay. Yes. Next is small. Yes. Whose kite was small, children, in the story? Yes. Neha's kite was small. Yes. Next one. Sixth one is kite. K-I-T-E, kite. You'll be getting in many colors and different sizes also, children. Sizes, shape will be the same. It will be like this only, like a diamond shape. Okay, like a diamond shape. The kite will be like this. Okay. Yes, next is, after kite is yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Yes, whose kite was yellow? Neha's kite was yellow. Next is holiday. So children, you will be waiting once in the school. If they tell you it is a holiday for the school, you will be so happy like that. Thank you. Thank you. So once you receive something from your friends or relatives or auntie, uncle, daddy, mummy, what you tell? Thank you, daddy. Thank you, mummy. Like that. Thank you, friend. If your friend is giving a gift for you on your birthday or some occasions, what you do? Thank you. You should tell. You should tell. They are elder or they are small. You should tell. Thank you for them, children. Okay, don't keep on telling only thanks. That is not the way to tell. You should tell them full thank you so much, like that. Understood? Yes. Come to the 10th one. Fly. F-L-Y, fly. So the kites will be flying in the sky. Next is cry. Right, what happened to Neha's kite? It got cut and it flew away very far. So she started crying like that. Yes, the last one. 12th one is big. B-I-G, big. Okay. Yes, totally 12 children, 12 spellings I have given you, children. Okay. Write it 5 times. I want you to write it 5 times in your English homework book. Understood? Write it in your English homework. Yes, the 12 spellings. If you are not able to see the board, you can take out your textbook and copy it and write it in your English homework, children. Understood, no? Yes. Now, yes, come to the true or false, children. Okay. Now come to the true or false. Shall I rub the board? 1 minute I'll give for you. Just go through that and finish it off fastly. Yes. Page number 42. Yes, it is page number 42. 2 sentences are there. Okay. Yes, it's a true or false. I have written a short heading, children. Okay. Yes, come to the last one. You can see a beautiful picture there. 5 boys are standing and they are flying their kites. So, how many colors are there? 5 colors, right? Red, green, blue, yellow and orange. Okay. Below that is the questions. Questions will be coming in your PDF, children. Question answers will be coming in your. Come to the last main. The first one. It is a holiday. So, you need not to write the question. Just write the answer. It is a holiday. So, write down as true. So, Sundays it will be a holiday, no? Yes. Come to the next one. Here, Anup is crying. Anup is crying. Was Anup crying or Neha crying, children? Yes, Neha was crying. So, this is false. Okay, come to the next page. Turn to the next page. 43. 43. Third one. Anup's kite is in the sky. In the sky. Anup's kite is in the sky. So, whose sky was there in the sky? Neha's. Okay. So, this is Anup's kite also was in the sky. So, true. He was flying the kite. Yes, fourth one. Anup and Neha fly the kite together. Yes, they both Anup and Neha fly the kite together. Here's a small change, children. Okay. This is actually false. I'm sorry. Neha's kite was in the sky. Okay. Anoop's kite is in the sky. No, it is false. Write it as false. So the next one is the true. I've done the changes. Copy it, children. Okay. Just lastly, Anoop's kite is small. Anoop's kite is small. Anoop's kite is small. No. Whose kite was small? Neha's. Anoop's kite is small. Again, this is false. Yes. Got it? No? So come to the next main. That is again the question answers are there. Leave that. Go to the vocabulary part. Okay? Yes. Let's come to the vocabulary. 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 Got it? Page number 43 only. Yes. The first main is they given you fill in the missing letters. Okay. So fill in the missing letters. I'm writing the short heading here. Here's the first one. So I'll just write down the answers only, children. You directly copy of the answers. The first one is holiday. H dash L dash D dash Y. So you need to write HOLIDAY. Holiday. Okay. Come to the second one. Second one is G dash RD dash N. So GARDEN. Garden. Yes, I can fly a kite. K dash T dash. So KITE. Kite. Fourth one. An ant is a dash insect. Yes. Dash A dash L. So ant is a small insect. SMALL. Small insect. Have you seen ant? No. Very small it will be. If you hit it once, it will die. A sunflower is dash color. Okay. Y dash LL dash W. So you need to write as YELLOW. Yellow. Got it now, children? Yes. Now here few more exercises are there. I'll continue in the next class, children. So by the time what I have given you the homework, I want you to write it 5 times very neatly. My handwriting should be very, very neat. Not only my handwriting, I'm telling you EVS, Maths, Kannada, Hindi, all the 5 subjects handwriting also should be very neat, children. Concentrate on your studies. Write it very neatly. Don't be playful. Play for a little while. Read for a little while. Morning if you read, evening you write. Morning if you write, evening you can read for a little while. Okay. Whichever textbooks you have, old one, whichever textbooks you have, sit and read something. Okay. Improve your knowledge. Don't be seeing the mobiles and don't be playing games and don't be watching cartoons, children. I told you, little while you should watch, remaining time, at least practice writing. Your handwriting is not at all good, children. What the books you bring for correction, we are seeing now, it is not at all good. I want very, very neat handwriting to be written, children. Then only you are a good children for us. Okay? Okay, children. Then I'll meet up you in the next class with a few more exercises which is pending and little more grammar also we'll do. Okay, children? Thank you so much, children.